minsan malakas yung
matagal pa naman yung boarding.
It's my food. Wait, bakit nauna ka ba man?
Kanina kasi.
So, aantay na lang namin mag-board kami. It's currently 6 p.m. And, nandito na kami sa tapat ng gate. So, mag-aantay na lang kami yung mag-boarding and then mag-tiktok muna kami before we... Let's go, Saigon! Let's go!
Sorry, paano?
First country already. I'm so proud of her. I'm so excited. Si Jacqueline din first out of the country na. Jackie! First out of the country. Congrats!
First dance.
Let's go! Just landed here in Vietnam. Grabe, alam niyo ba? Sobrang daming nangharas sa amin. Joke lang. Actually, yung mga sa mga taxi, nasakay na kami sa Grab, binubuksan pa nila yung Grab namin. Tapos meron pa, tinatawag si RA. Si RA, takot. Hindi ko sabi na tinatawag. Sabi na sa kuya namin, sa driver namin, please not the door.
Because he was trying to open it like as in ang katakot.
Guys, sobrang liwanag here. Struggle number 1. Sobrang taas. What the heck? Room tour. Ayan, mayroong dalawang bed. Guys, hinihingal kami. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi 6 sa elevator, 6th floor lang. 7th floor yung room namin. So, kailangan namin buhatin ulit yung luggage paakyat. Oh my God. So, this is the bathroom. Ooh! Damn! May jacuzzi! Hi! Nice! May jacuzzi! And, here's our view. Ayan. Very, ay, may cafe dun maganda. Dito na sila. Naghagdan din sila, of course.
Nag-stay ka tapos sumasakit pa lang siya. Pero kanina pa yun eh.
We're out! Ay! What is this? Kainan to? So bright! Ako lang. Kimchi. Sarap. Guys, nag-give up na kami. We're just gonna try this banh mi sa street. And then we're gonna call it a night. Kasi we're so tired. Oh my gosh. Banh mi. Oh, G, ko ulit narinig ng kata ni Rose and G Dragon. Sa Vietnam pa.
Grabe. Yummy.
Beach pa naman kami ngayon. Ready with Mitch.
Laroshi makes. Laroshi cakes. Laroshi ma.
Hi guys! It's officially our... Nabubulol pa. It's officially our day 1 here in Saigon!
Yeah!
Hi guys!
Fit check lang. Naka-red ako.
Day 2! Ay, day 1!
Day 1. Polo, kami?
Polo squad
attire.
kami. White.
Hindi ito pinag...
Yun lang kami. Mamimili kami today ng damit and kakain. See you guys later!
Going to...
School.
Of course, before we eat, we need to take pictures. May souvenir shop sa tapat, sa labas namin. Where's the TP bank? Mag-withdraw daw si Shai ng cash. Thank you. Thank you. Mag-withdraw lang siya.
Ito na lang gamitin natin. Two pieces.
Oo nga. Sabi,
Ay, naglalaro ako.
mabaho siya.
Are you guys hungry?
Super duper.
On sale, y'all.
OMG mga shop. Ang gaganda.
Guys, sobrang pretty here sa Vietnam. Like, grabe yung mga ano nila, yung mga cafes and buildings. So nice. We're looking for a place to eat. And super late na. We have to eat. Uy, ang ganda ng mga dress nila. So, andito po tayo sa Glorieta. Later na kami mag-shop. Kain muna kami because di na namin kaya. Sobrang sakit ng tiyan namin.
Sobrang laki ng H&M dito, guys.
Oo, tapos 50% off.
Oh my God.
And sabi nila maganda daw yung mga damit dito. So,
Alam mo,
let's go.
gutom na kami pero parang gusto namin mag-shopping
Oo
muna.
nga.
Grabe.
Sobrang laki ng H&M nila. Like, parang hanggang 5th floor. Diba? Fit check. So, naka-order na kami ng food namin. We're at You Delights. As far as I know, it's You Delights. Sana masarap. Eh, sa mall kami kumain kasi wala kami makita pa. Wala man lang kami itinerary. We're literally
Lost in Vietnam.
lost in Vietnam. And
Literally
that's
lost.
random.
That's our agenda.
Yeah. Yun yung ano namin eh. Like, sponty lang.
Okay, babalik na
Bahala
yung
na
panty.
kung saan dali ng paa.
May love.
I don't know though.
I need lemon.
Okay, yung I need lime or lemon. Let's add the veggies.
Okay na?
Hindi na namin matiis. Try namin to.
Okay. Gutom na ako.
So
Tamad pa ako mag-story.
These are what we ordered. Grabe, ang dami. Wow. Sarap.
Pang fries?
Oh, Lord. I don't know, guys. Kung dami ginagawa natin. Hirap ko lang siya.
Ay, ano to? Pinakamega to.
Guys, andyan lang oh. Hindi pa kami makatawid kasi lakas ng ulan. Init.
Lagay mo lahat ng lemon.
There's no aircon. That's the thing. Yan, shorts. Mini shorts lang na plaid. So pretty.
Excuse me, do you have stock?
Is it closed? Ganito sila guys. Parang guys, yung shopping ng damit dito is very old building. Tapos aakyat ka. Kada floor, madaming stores. Ayan, iba-ibang stores. Sa local. So fun.
Wait lang.
Guys, super nice here sa shop na to. Gonna get this top, but in polka dots. I'll be getting this top then. This is like a multi-stop. And Chanel got this one. So nice. Ganda. Super nice cafe. I want this. I want this lights. It's nice. I got the coconut. This cafe is so nice. Like, very vintage looking.
Love the effort. Nice.
Hi, Ika. Pinapanood kita. Hey!
We're here at Coffee Water Cafe. And
Hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi.
kakatapos lang tayo mamili ni Shine. I'm gonna show you kung ano mga napamili ko kapag tapos na ako mamili. But I just bought puro tops to.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Sumama yung bracelet ko. Guys, so, bumili na kayo sa Amara.
Guys, oh my gosh, it looks so yummy. Coconut na cocoa. Can I try it? Because I don't drink coffee. Alam mo yun yung masaklap eh. Kasi parang coffee country to. Pero I can't drink coffee. Babe, try. Go, go. Oh my gosh. This is heaven. So, isang gulo ng buko, sorry. Eh.
Sarap.
Sobrang OA ko. Pero ang sarap. I swear. So good.
Ang sarap ng coco.
Wala ba ito sa...
Go.
Ulit.
2, 3, go.
I saw this dress and thought it looks so nice. So I'm getting one. This is so nice. So nice.
Sobrang nilaro tayo, guys.
Salmon mozzarella. For appetizer lang. Kaya.
So much lower.
Hi guys! So it's officially our day 2 and kagaya ng kahapon, we're just gonna eat and shop for clothes again. Kasi wala pa kaming ganap talaga. Like, feeling ko bukas pa. So yung suot ko today is very comfy lang for shopping. And also guys, sobrang maulan dito. Like, bagyo level, ganun. So, dapat yung suot na is ano lang, comfy lang. Baka mamaya, ma-stranded kami, di ba? Tapos naka-boots ako, naka-heels ako. I would go crazy. So, yes. Baka naman, pwede mag-slide. We are now here and hopefully may makita kaming worth it mabili. Let's go!
I vlog.
Yaranch! OMG, I wanna play billiards, y'all.
Guys, so bakit pa kami nandito? Kasi
Secret!
so hot.
So hot?
So hot. Come on. That every day. Like rar.
Lumabas ka na dito, lumabas ka dito.
Gonna take pictures.
Yes, guys. And gusto ko yung pinili niyong spot kasi nakikita ko pa rin si Pong.
Uy, paano ba?
Like, ganito. Try ko muna. Yan. Go. Ready?
Turista mode.
Yes.
We're here na sa El Sol. Let's go! So out of all the collection, I'm gonna get this one. Kasi guys, pwede siyang separate. You can wear yung sa loob lang. Tapos ang short lang niya. So nice. And it's only, basta it's very affordable for its quality. And I'm gonna get this one because kukunin ni Shine to. Ang ganda. Like, super nice. So, I'm gonna get the white one. Oh my god. I love you also. But actually, I'm kinda underwhelmed. Guys, fastest serve ever. Kaka-order lang namin. Ano dito na agad?
This is our first one.
Okay. Nakafocus sa food.
Babe, you want noodles? Walk na. Tikman ko. May noodles. Wait lang.
Here daw yung sikat na bani. Let's try. Eating after eating. Kakatapos lang namin literally magpa. I'm gonna eat again. Mango smoothie forever. Bani. From ano to? Wow, very famous na stand here. Sarap! Let's eat. Sobrang
Oh my God, sobrang sarap.
Taking over these clothes. I am panicking. Oh my god. Shop on shop. Shop. Guys, merong shop dito na super ganda ng mga dress. Like, so nice.
Chanel, kunin ko ba yung gray?
Yeah.
Hindi ko nasukatin.
I'm convincing
Ay, tinatamad din ako sukatin.
Chanel to get this dress na to. Pakita mo. It's super nice. The heck? Like, nice. Get it.
Tawid na ba tayo?
Nice. I'm planning on getting this. Guys, I got 3 dresses from this shop and may libre anything from their shop. Anything I could get. So I got that number over there. Can you see that? I got that one. Oh, wait. I got that for free. I'm so happy. What the heck? I'm so happy I got a free dress from them. If you buy 3 items, you will have anything for free. Thank you. Just got 3 dresses from this shop.
This or yung halter top na black? Huwag na yung halter top na black. Okay. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
I'm at this shop. It's Gola. And may nakita akong top. Si Ika agad yung naisip.
Yes,
So this is for you, Ika. May pasalubong for you. I'm so happy. And it's blue. Paborito ni Ika blue eh.
Ikaw, wait mo yung akin. Mukha lang ako ng bibig.
Ika, hindi. Alam
Wala
mo,
talaga
ano
yun
pa
si
iniisip?
Chanel.
May nakita nga akong maliit na polo.
Yes.
Anything maganda yun. Pero feeling ko mas magugustuhan mo.
Yes.
She loves blue. For you.
Yes.
This is for you, Ika.
Alam niyo, kita ko.
Guys,
That's day 2.
grabe na to. Imagine, pinagsama-sama pa yun ha. Pinagsama-sama pa sa
Grabe. Sobrang bigat. As in.
Guys,
The
Grabe
only
na.
thing.
we're now walking. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan. Grabe, alam niyo, sobrang bigat. Sobrang bigat ng dala namin, I swear. Like, sobrang sakit na ng katawan namin and everything. But wala kaming alam na makakainan at the moment. It's all closed. So, good luck to us. So, wala na kami makitang makakainan. And we passed by this street. So, dito na namin plan kumain because ang daming tao. So, I think masarap dito. But, pagod ako. Kami ay lalaps na. Oh my gosh, this is too yummy, girl. Guys, may binigay sa amin yung stuff dito and super sarap. Parang sugar cane daw with coconut.
Yes.
Do you like it?
Super.
Super nice! Guys, sarap. 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 Pwede na, binigay nila for free kasi ang cute daw ni RA. Thank you. Oh, yay! Ano, we ordered again. Guys, ang sarap lahat ng pagkain nila.
May ipis na bakit sa
Everything is so good. Thank you. This one, our favorite, salted egg octopus. So good. So, today, magka-cafe hopping lang kami. And then, try ulit natin mamili later. Kasi wala pa kaming nahanap na damit for Blackpink. Alam nyo, sa dami ng shops, wala pa kami nahanap. So, sana may makita kami mamaya. See you guys later!
Inagaya ko lang si Sean kasi kakatapos ng vlog intro niya na day 4. Day 4. Okay lang yan. Huwag ka na magkape. Later, guys. Baliw.
Hi guys.
Ang
Dito kami ngayon. Ang Wong Fam. Snail. Shrimp. Order mo.
Sobrang sarap.
Grabe. Sobrang konti pala nito.
Good.
Ito yung rice. Sampo. Kung natin, kung masarap ba ito. So good. Calamansi and salt.
super yummy, guys. This restaurant. Worth it. Like, deserve niya ang Michelin star, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, first of all.
Sabi, ang pangit ng weather. Nag-picture dapat kami sa harap ng cafe apartment, pero the weather is not giving. Guys, I want that. Ang cute. OMG. Dito kami sa labas.
We're at our first cafe. It's Meraki.
Sobrang humid dito. Kahit na paulan na, sobrang humid. So yung kaya tala ko ng buhok, para kumulot-ulot siya. Ano na kami, bagot na kami guys. Sobrang init. Sobrang humid. Oh guys, actually nakakabagot talaga yung weather. So yun na-expect ko lang energy today. Sorry, mag-ready kami.
Hindi sinabi.
First cafe sa cafe apartment time. And the only cafe we're going to.
So we're back here sa pinuntahan namin ng first day. And ang goal namin is mabila ng pasalubong sila. Let's get it. Oh, I think dito may mabibila ako sa kanila. Oh, cute! Ay, haggard na. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan. We're here sa... Hindi ko alam kung nasan kami.
Lost in
Literally
Vietnam.
walking nang hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Wings tsaka rice. Kasi we're on our way way to Oasis Cafe. And nakadress kami ngayon kasi yung place na pupunta namin is very dreamy place. Parang
siyang Ghibli.
Oo, parang Ghibli. So, I'll show you guys later. Sobrang ganda doon. Famous yun actually. Baka some of you alam na yung cafe na yun. And ayan, naka-dress lang kami. Naka-dress sila.
Hi guys.
And we're gonna have our lunch there. It's currently 1 p.m. and June 22 na Sunday here. 4th day na namin. 4th day. And today, mamimili na rin kami ng mga pampasalubong kasi bukas wala na kami time kasi magpapak na kami. And maaga yung... Ay, madaling araw man naman flight time pero maaga yung checkout namin sa hotel. So, we gotta finish everything early. So, I'll see you guys later.
Grabe mga apartment, no? Totoo. Baguio!
Ganda dito.
Magkano, Ella?
7-1.
Tapos yung 100K.
Ang hirap
Guys,
mag-compute,
18
guys.
kulang pa ng ano.
Bahala na. Magkano ibayad, no?
75 eh. Kakali pa lang.
Really ganda here, guys.
Wow! Guys, as in... Hey! Hi, Kai! Hey! Oo, go. Grabe, this is our view, guys. So pretty.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sa inyo. Bigla niyo akong binidyoan. Sabi ko manlilibre ako.
Yes po.
Ang tanging request ko lamang sa inyo ay picture ako ng maganda. Yun naman.
No po.
Promise. Sky's the limit.
Wow!
Yes, madam.
Lahat lahat po orderin.
So guys, kahit ano yung orderin nyo.
So, mag-transfer kami ng seat kasi request namin sana sa baba. Inilipat nila kami.
Transfer kami ng school. Bigyan ko. Winning kami ni RA, tas winning sila ni. Everybody. Next. Lalaki po.
Hi guys! So, nagpalit lang kami after namin mag-cafe and now we're on our way to Book Street, diba Nel? Book Street here in District 1. 4:49 p.m. na. Sana maabutan mo namin. Sana hindi mo wala yung araw, no? So yeah, ito na yung look namin. Casual na. Kasi mamaya mamimili na kami ng pasalubong and then baka mag-grocery din kami pa. So, see you guys later again. Cafe.
Nangaiyak man. Hindi po ako si... Si Man at si Andre.
So pretty. Wow.
Me?
Yeah, you and my family.
Sure.
Oh, thank you so much.
Here? Okay. Sure.
You watch this? Thank you so much.
Please see if it's good. Or is it too far?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's
beautiful?
perfect. Yeah,
Oh, really?
thank you so much.
You're
Bye.
welcome. Enjoy. Ay. Perfect ka dyan, be. Perfect ka dyan, be. Yan, nalamputin mo dito.
It's so pretty dito, guys. Like, you have to go here if you're going to Vietnam.
Yes.
So pretty. So calming.
Kailangan nyo tayo bibili ng book, Kylie. Ano, parang...
Oh my God, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda ng book. Guys, look at this bookstore. Ang ganda. It's like gawa sa libro. So pretty. I love this bookstore.
My night we catches somebody. Somebody. I'm just a plan thinking.
Gonna try it.
Para siyang biscuit waffle. Game.
Game, sabay-sabay.
Share tayo, babe.
We're here at 7. Oh my God, ang pangit na itsura ko guys, sorry. But we're here at 7-Eleven and I'm gonna try this calamansi. Sobra, guys. Namili kami ng pasalubong. Look, oh. Super.
Cheese.
Super dami. For mommy, for family.
Babe, sarap.
Wow. Jackie, sarap.
Hindi, kasi pag sa hash, sasabi niya, habang nag-30
Guys, Beijing na yogurt. Pinulit ako nitong cream bread kasi super sarap niya to. Super duper sarap. Hello.
Sarap nito.
Try this. Kalam ko na to.
Nelo, may ice cream yung DJI mo.
Kaya mo na.
Ay, ni ano pala ni Ella. Mabat na ako, bye. Sorry. Pag hindi na siya maano, malambot pa rin siya.
Hindi ko lang muna sauce to, guys. Oo. Kahapon sa araw na yun.
That's it for 7-Eleven mukbang.
Uy, 1 year yung expiration.
Hi guys! It's our last day today. Actually, half day na lang kasi later at 5 p.m. Hi! Later at 5 p.m. we'll be going to the airport na kasi sabi nila grabe daw yung immigration doon. So, we have to go early. And, flight namin is 1 a.m. pa naman. But, alam niyo naman, di natin alam, baka mag-over baggage tayo or may mangyari pa something. So, we have to go early sa airport. Baka maiwan na naman ang aeroplano, no? So, wag naman sana. It's currently 12:30 p.m. and we're on our way to Pho Hoa Pasture something. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but we're going there. We're gonna eat lunch. See you later. So, while we're waiting for our Grab, dito kami sa Circle K. Alam na ito yung marami sa kanila and 7-Eleven onti lang, pero Circle K and GS25 marami. Ito lang kami. Outfit namin is jeans na. Naka-jeans na kaming lahat. Kasi diretso na kami airport mamaya after ng ganap.
Ito yung paborito ko, guys. Super sarap na fresh cream. Mga ganito rin silang yogurt cereal. Ang dami nilang milk, guys. Mga milk lovers yan. Perfect kayo dito. Solid yung init. So, in-order namin to. Ito yung best seller nila. Mag-isa lang ako. Gusto nila mag-share. Sabi ko, kaya ko ubusin yung isang buo. So, Neo. Ikaw? Ay, ito yung
Hindi ka sabay sa noodles. Ako mahilig ako sa noodles, guys. I am a certified noodle girl. So, kaya natin ubusin yan.
Hindi kaya. Sobrang ano din ito eh. Takong mata. Guys, may tip din pala ako sa inyo if pupunta kayo ng Vietnam. If ayaw niyong magulat ha, huwag kayong gagamit ng mga wipes nila kasi may bayad yan. Pag
Lahat ba?
Oo, pag nakita nilang ginamit niyo to, ila-address sa bill niyo. Ayun, oh my gosh, thank you. Sarap. Ito na yung ano namin. Spring roll. Order kami ni Shine. Sarap! With sauce, peanut sauce. Yum! Guys, as a gulay lover, grabe sila maglagay ng side dish nila yan. And as ano din, as calamansi lover, marami silang lime. As maasim lover, I love Vietnam. Do you love Vietnam? I hate Vietnam. Oh! Honey, we don't hate. I hate Vietnam. Ito na, ang bilis guys. Combination. Bilis. Ito na yung order namin. So sa combination na beef, big size lang daw meron. So ayan, hati sila sa isa. Ito kay Jacqueline and ito akin. Yum, sarap. It looks good.
Titik na lang yung food. Smile, tas titik na yung food. Sige, go. Sa konting shirt ni Kuya. Okay na yan? Okay. Thank you po. Let's eat! Y'all!
Tinuruan niya ako, hindi daw pala nilalagay ng gano'n. Pinuputol siya, Big. Nabother siya sa ano kapag lagay ng isang buo.
Ano ko na?
Parang sila.
Wait lang, babe. Lagyan pa natin ito. Okay lang? Wala pala. Wala pa, ma? Let's mix it up. Saan ba yun? Yun. Sarap.
Lagyan ko na ng 6 na lime. We're on our way to cafe apartment ulit.
Little Hanoi.
Ay, Little Hanoi pala. Hindi pa namin natatry yun. Then, after that, bibili ata ng maleta si Shine. Kasi baka ma-over baggage daw kami. Grabe hangin! Uy, grabe yung hangin! Bongga here, may pa-mist sila dyan. Para pag mainit, ito yung store. So, vintage. Vintage! So nice! Guys, I love Vietnam. Sobrang ganda ng mga stores nila, I swear. So, ito pala yung store, hindi pala yun, guys. Katabi yun. So, let's go up. Let's go up! Guys, we're here! Go! Yeah! Ay, hala, ba't nakikipaginahan? Kitang-kita ka sa camera, baliw. Papasok na ako. Ano ko. Look at the place. So nice. Look at the place.
But since uwi naman kami mamaya, mag-e-egg na talaga ako.
Sobrang grabe ng allergy ko right now. Uy, mango toast. I want this mango toast. Ay, mango. I'm a mango lover.
Kailan mo sa amin avocado?
I want the mango toast.
Okay, try natin lahat yan. Ito or ito? Grilled cheese. Ilan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's order na.
Alam mo dito na
Do they have ano kaya? Do they have cocoa? Because I don't drink coffee.
Meron. May egg coco. Ayun.
Okay, I'm gonna order that.
Ano tayo?
Egg cacao.
Sorry?
More. Wait lang. More.
What is your best seller?
The best seller is me.
This one?
I'm
Is
best
it?
seller.
You don't. What is this?
I'm the best.
Chocolate.
Nori.
Okay, one.
Jealous
Ano
of
ba?
dimension.
What is
The other view
more
is
okay?
hot or cold? Cold daw.
Okay. Egg cacao. Cold one.
Observe natin. Pastry tayo. Vietnamese milk and egg cacao din.
Egg cacao. Ay, ikaw.
This is my order, mango toast. Mango toast. Sarap ng order ko, guys. Eggs Benedict.
Perfect combo.
Oh, picture mo. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Oh my god. Ay, akala ko titingin lang na nagagaa. Tumingin lang.
Oh my gosh, wait lang. I can't.
I'm gonna try my egg. Babe, I'm gonna try na. Egg cacao. Egg cacao.
Sige, saan naman tayo dyan eh?
Hindi ko natin yung egg mismo.
Ito na yung tingin.
I love cacao, guys. Then this gotta be good. I love cacao.
It's so good.
Let's try the egg.
So good.
Let's put honey. Honey.
Babe, ano yan? Hot sauce? May hot sauce din.
Parang siyang hinog na hinog.
Ang tawag mo?
Parang siyang apple. Sarap.
Kaya.
Di ba apple mango?
Ano pala? Hinaw. Hinaw.
Let's try it.
So,
Baba mo na lang yan, babe. Yan.
actually, ba't ba yung hiwa-hiwa ka na lang, hawakan na lang?
Hindi. Pero nakita ko niya. Pero kami sa natang. Kapag sarap ko lagi dito.
Ibig sabihin sa kaliwa.
Hindi.
Body ka lang sanay. Pwede sabihin, ano ka lang.
Nakagalitan talaga.
Ang tagal mga creative daw sila.
Bánh bao chị đặc biệt thơm ngon. Bánh bao chị
So now, we're going to Mono photo booth. Parang makaluma siyang photo booth. Going there with them. Hi! So we're now here at, anong nickname nito?
42 something.
42 something daw. I'm just gonna insert. And mag-photo booth lang kami dito before we go back to our hotel and fix our things. Oh, we're going home na. I'm so sad. Dito guys, marami ditong local brands. Like isang apartment siya. I love it here. I don't wanna leave. May check kami. Ano lang. Simple lang kami. Kasi flight na namin later.
Harmony. Idgaf siya sa video. Tara. Tara na. Wala tayo oras. LFG. Tawid. Go. Go, go. Magpalitan mo yung timer, sis. Timer.
Hi guys! We are now ready to go to the airport. Alam niyo, sobrang trauma talaga namin from last travel. Ngayon, 4:30 pa lang, paalis na kami dito sa hotel. Tapos 1 a.m. pa yung flight namin. Grabe! Hindi mahalata no, na trauma kami. So, baka kasi mamaya maiwan na naman tayo. Hindi pwedeng maiwan. Let's go to the airport! Yan, nakaset na kami. Na-ready na namin lahat ng gamit namin. See you Philippines. Wow! Ayan na nga. Ito ang mga maleta. Checking sila kung may naiwan. But, ayan. Dami. Nadagdagan kami ng 2 maleta ni Shine. So, maghahagdan kami, then Elev. Hagdan isa. We're paying 1K. Austin. Grabe to. Tignan nyo. Hi guys! It's currently 5:40 p.m. and check out na kami sa hotel namin. Pero may hahabol kami sa 7-Eleven dito na nagustuhan kong sausage. Alam niyo, nakakatawa. Kasi Taiwanese sausage siya. Pero dito, ang sarap. Ang sarap nun! Like, I'm craving it. So, I'm gonna get it before we book pa uwi. Umalas, muntik na ako magit. Sa street na to. Kung saan. Dito siya sa walking street na
Kapag gabi nagtatransform.
na sobrang hihilahin. Guys, this one is really good. Pala siyang roti sa Thailand. It tastes like roti, and this one, my favorite. Gonna get it as well. Fresh cream. Why don't you try the matcha? Sarap niyan, 2 yan. Ito rin pala, nagustuhan ko siya. Calamansi juice siya na may na tea. Believe. Ayan o, may calamansi siya. This one is good. So I'm gonna get one. Let's go. Sarap. Super. And siya, vlogging din siya. This is the sausage. I'm gonna eat it. This is my favorite. Ay, sobrang sarap nito. Super good. If na-try nyo na yung latiao, it tastes like this, latiao. Baby powder na yan. Ito ko nga nabibili. Sana meron nito sa Pinas.
Sarap, no?
I'm gonna miss this.
Ano yung offer?